What exactly is a book genre? Think of it as a promise you make to your reader. It tells them what kind of experience they're about to have. Each genre comes with its own set of expectations. If you say your book is a romance, your readers will expect a love story as the central plot. If you say your book is a mystery thriller, they'll expect fast-paced scenes and maybe even a few cliffhangers. Get those elements right and your readers will feel like they've picked the perfect book. Here's a quick list to all the most common genres in fiction. In fantasy, you have magic, mystical creatures and made-up worlds. Think dragons, spells and epic quests. Science fiction is similar to fantasy, but it might include real science or real feeling science. It might include artificial intelligence, space travel or technology gone wrong. Dystopia is a subgenre of sci-fi. These stories imagine a dark future with controlling governments or collapsed societies. Action and adventure involves a fast-paced story with high-stakes mission or journey. Think heroes, villains and real danger. Thrillers put readers on the edge of their seats right from the start. Characters in thrillers face extreme emotional pressure and a race against time. Horror books are meant to scare. It could be psychological, supernatural or just deeply unsettling. Historical fiction is set in the past, often featuring real events or made-up characters existing in the past. In romance novels, a love story is the main plot. A happy or an emotionally satisfying ending is often expected. LGBTQIA+ books mainly feature queer characters and themes. Contemporary fiction include relatable human stories focused on realistic characters in everyday life. There are no magical elements in contemporary fiction. Literary fiction usually deal with more serious subjects and are mostly character-driven or introspective. Magical realism deal with stories based in everyday life and realistic settings, but with a touch of unexplained magic here and there. Graphic novels are a visual format and include stories told mainly through illustrations and text, but they can be of any genre. Short story collections are a book of short stories, often with a central theme. Young adult novels are usually meant for people at ages 12 to 18. They usually follow teenagers dealing with identity, relationships, and growing up. New adult novels often include stories featuring college life, early career, or even just first-time adult stories. Romance is common but not required. Children's books are books for kids under 12 years old. The language, plot, and theme need to be age-appropriate, and they can also be picture books. Do you have any more questions? Check out our other videos to stay updated about all things publishing. And you can also click on the link in the description to talk to one of our publishing consultants who will help clear all your doubts. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Happy publishing!